Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2013, question number 55. Relation R has 8 attributes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Field of R contain only atomic value. A set of functional dependency is given and F plus is exactly the set of FDs that hold for R. The relation R is and 4 options are given. So the relation has 8 attributes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and we have the functional dependency. First we need to find the key. Now what is A positive closure? A positive closure will be A, B, C. Now from B, C, F, H. C is already there. So F, H. Now from F, E and G. Now from E, A is already there. So we got A, B, C, E, F, G, H. Next we'll find B positive closure. B positive closure will be B, C, F, H. Then from F, E and G. From E, A. So we got A, B, C, E, F, G, H. If we see in A positive closure and B positive closure, we are not getting D. Rather than D, we are getting A, B, C, E, F, G, H. You can also find E and F that also contain A, B, C, E, F, G, H, not D. A positive closure, B positive closure, E positive closure and F positive closure are getting all the attribute except D. So what we'll do, we'll just attach D with these. We can get this set of candidate key. Key can be AD, BD, ED or FD. Now if you will see the functional dependency, BC depends on A, CFH depend on B, A depend on E, EG depend on F. So there are partial dependency. Nothing is dependent on AD. All are dependent on part of that key. Keys are AD, BD, ED, FD. But there are dependency that only depend on A, B, E or F. Hence partial dependency exists. That's why it is not in 2NF. In 2NF we remove the partial dependency as partial dependency exists. Hence this is not in 2NF but it's in 1NF. As here it's written, it contains only atomic value. In 1NF every attribute are atomic. Now check the options. Option A in 1NF but not in 2NF. Yes, this is true. The relation R is in 1NF but not in 2NF. Option B in 2NF but not in 3NF. No, not in 2NF, so not in 3NF or not in BCNF. Answer will be option A. I already discussed 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.